مجموعة من الخبراء في عالم المختبرات النفطية وصلوا اليوم إلى المختبر لمقابلة صادق. صادق قدم الخيميائي وردة فعل الخبراء راح نشوفها مع بعض.
I'm working in as you can say quality control engineer for Qatar Shell Research and Qatar Shell Research and Technology Center. I worked before also in lab analytical for almost 7 years. So I hope I can understand what's your application. So, yeah.
My name is Abbas Razavi. I am R&D, global R&D manager for petrochemicals. So involved mostly in petrochemicals laboratory or also production research.
My name is Gas Groothuis. I'm the general manager of the Shell's part of the science park. I have a chemical engineering background, and after one of the things I look after is the laboratory in QSRTC, Qatar Shell Science and Technology Center.
I have a lot of idea about inventions because this is my hobby, and one of this idea, this one.
Perfect. Now, let's sit down. Yeah. Let's get it.
Let me give you a demonstration. Okay. First of all, the problem. The problem for the chemical laboratories now, when we are going to use the regular equipment, such as a heater or shaker or mixer, okay, it will take different devices and it will be separate in the lab, not in one place. This device, its idea to combine all these functions such as heating, cooling, mixing, shaking, and taking the sample in one place. So I can save the time and effort. If you can see here, we add 40 cc. Then I shake it and mix it at the same time for 15 minutes, or for 15 seconds. Then I will add more from mixed alcohol. Shake it and mix it at the same time. So the usual or the normal time will take in this experiment for the normal equipment or regular equipment. It will take 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. By this device we make it 54 seconds. Okay. So imagine
within 1 minute.
Within 1 minute, the shortcut for the time. This is the first prototype. It will be a little bit slowly
refined.
Okay, and the second one or the third one, we will adjust the speed of movement and doing the functions.
Okay. I found Sadeq's presentation very exciting, and I think it has his invention has a lot of potential for industrial application. So I have one question here. The conditions that you set is the same for all the samples,
yes,
or you can modify?
No, I can modify. You mean for the quantities?
For the quantities, temperature,
everything,
heating, shaking time.
Yes, here.
It's fully flexible.
Here, let's say
for different samples.
Yes,
for
shaking.
Different samples.
Shaking. This is. Let me go back. Okay, this is the operation.
Okay.
I go to the operation, then I choose which function that I need: shaking, mixing, or sampling, heating, cooling. Okay, let's say it's shaking.
Shaking, yeah.
At what speed you want? Low, medium, high.
Okay.
If you want to put a timer for that, you can adjust a timing.
The application that his invention can have to research lab and application laboratory in the petrochemical and petroleum industry can be very beneficial. It can reduce the time of several experiments in one, and that is of very high importance for petrochemical and petroleum industry.
I know also you can do it in future. Random access, like I mean, if I need to go to...
Yeah, there will be a 7-inch disc here. You can choose any sample.
Okay, so I can go direct to... Okay.
Yeah. I mean, just
a programming software.
Using in different fields, for example, if you can put this system under inert atmosphere. So if your samples are sensitive to moisture, oxygen, or something like that, that you could put your system under nitrogen or argon.
Yeah. Okay. Also, you can imagine what the device will give you. That you will shortcut the time for preparing the samples. Also, your labels will be protected from direct interaction with the chemicals itself.
Yeah.
There will not be any human mistake because all will be set by the machine, the quantity that you wanted, the time for heating or cooling, etc.
I think even if it would take the same time, the fact that they're all done exactly the same way,
yes,
is far outweighs all the other advantages.
صراحة قبل ما اجي اشوف البرزنتيشن على الجهاز انا توقعت اللي هو يعني حاجة مقررة شفتها قبل كده بالنسبة لنا خبرتي في المجال ده نفس المجال ده بس بالنسبة للجهاز بتاعه انا شايفه يونيك بيعمل اكتر من جوب في نفس الوقت يعني حاجة ممكن commercially can be done فبالنسبة لي جهاز كويس يعني حاجة مفروض نفخر بيها يعني ان هي تحصل في الميدل ايست يعني.
And Ahmed, have you?
Yeah, I will just like for engineering point of view, I'm not a chemist, so I can't talk in application a lot, but and I didn't see it and how what is called like you make the sample preparation in this way. You can see I saw it like compare it with the auto sampler. For I don't know if you have like gas chromatography stuff like this. You have also sample preparation, head space. So more or less you make also heating for the sample and but not shaking. So this is advantage here. The only my comment, as also doctor said, like to make it more flexible, to add like and this one it will happen, huh? Like flexibility in random access to make it fully automated. Compact, more compact, and but for me it looks I didn't see it before, like to do all this together in one equipment. This is a good
in your career.
No, I didn't see it. I was expecting like I saw it before, but to be honest, like exactly doing all this function in one unit, it is very good job what you did, but you need to improve it, which I think it is easy for you. You did the difficult part, but the other stuff you can get comment from all.
The important step is to get the product.
Exactly, which is the idea is very good.
Yeah, the improving it will be easier.
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly. Specifically for the software,
I followed Sadeq's device from the beginning, and I was from the beginning very impressed with his device. I didn't think in the beginning his idea was unique because I saw similar things with gas chromatography, but his thing is unique that he's using it for larger applications rather than the small application in gas chromatography. It's a first step, in automation of samples. I mean, I can dream of many other things you can add. I mean, you can, for instance, have a pH measurement in there, and then you have a kind of titration that adds chemicals until the pH is reached.
Also, rotation for the beaker.
The basic idea is very nice, but you can apply it in many different things.
As what the doctor said, I mean, you should try to make your patent as broad as possible, that not someone else comes in and takes this niche part,
No, I will try my best. The first thing I want to finish from USPTO, then I will go to the WIPO, also to patent it there for the Europe and global wide. استفادة أول شيء أنا استفدت معنويا. أنا أدري وعندي ثقة تامة أن الجهاز ما له مثيل، بس إن لما أحد يجي خبير بهالمجال ويأكد المعلومة حقي يعني هذا شيء أكيد يفرحني. الفترة اللي فاتت أو اللي طافت حاولت إني أبحث عن مثيل للجهاز، هم ما قدرت، ما حصلت، ومثل ما أنتم عارفين أنا أردي يعني ماخذ عليه براءة اختراع بأمريكا.
مثل باقي المنتجات، الخيميائي لاقى استحسان لم يخلو من بعض الملاحظات البسيطة التي دونها صادق في ذاكرته. المزيد من زيارات الخبراء بعد الفاصل.